children, my name's Claire. Let's start our Letters and Sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's read some phonemes you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This trigraph says I. Can you remember what a trigraph is? That's right. 3 letters, 1 sound. This digraph says Remember? Digraph, 2 letters, 1 sound. Now it's your turn. Are you ready? Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. I, ow, ow, oi, oi, e, Now I'm going to mix the cards up. Okay. Read the graphemes on the cards aloud. Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Ow, ow. Oi, oi. E, I, e, Now let's read some words with graphemes you already know. Can you spot the digraph in this word? 2 letters, 1 sound. Yes, the digraph is E. Read each sound as I point, then blend and read the word. E, S, T. Least. It takes me at least 10 minutes to walk to school. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is Read each sound, then blend. S, T. First. The first thing I do when I get to school is hang my coat up on the peg. Can you spot the digraph in this word? 2 letters, 1 sound. Yes, the digraph is Read each sound, then blend. Skirt. Skirt. Look at this colourful skirt. Beautiful patterns. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is ow. Read each sound, then blend. G, ow, growl. Bears can growl. Can you growl like a bear? Oh, that's scary growling. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is ch. Read each sound, then blend. B, ch. Bench. We sat on the bench to eat our picnic. Read each sound, then blend. It's a longer word, so let's chunk it up. Ag, mag, net, net. Magnet. Magnets pick up things that are made of metal. Wonderful reading. Now I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without sounding out? Are you ready? Off you go. Okay, let's check. Read them aloud with me. Magnet, growl, first, least, skirt, bench. Today we are learning a new grapheme for the phoneme I. I. Copy me. I. Now let's sound talk some words with the phoneme I. Copy me. Say the sounds, then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. P, I. P, I. Your turn. P, I. Pie. I love apple pie for pudding. And here we've got one straight out of the oven. Delicious. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. T-er-eyed. T-er-eyed. Your turn. T-er-eyed. Tried. I tried to reach the top shelf, but I couldn't. Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. T-I. T-I. Your turn. T-I. Tie. Look at this stripy tie. We know the sound I is written like this. Today, we are learning that the I sound can also look like this. Let's read the new grapheme for I. Say the sound I each time I show you the digraph I. Remember, digraph, 2 letters, 1 sound. Well done. Great reading. Now let's read some words with our new grapheme for the phoneme I. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word. Now let's read the word together. I lie. I like to lie in bed at night and listen to the rain. Did you get it right? Well done. Read each grapheme, then blend to read the word aloud. Let's read the word together. T-I, tie. Remember our stripy tie from earlier? Wow. Sound out and blend. Now let's read it together. P-I, pie. Do you like the look of this apple pie that we had in our picture? Oh, wow. Now let's read it together. K-er-eyed, cried. Did you get it right? Well done. Now let's read the word together. I'd tried. I've never tried skating, but it looks like so much fun. Now let's read the word together. I'd fried. I put some sausages in the pan and fried them for tea. Wonderful reading. Now I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without sounding out? Ready? Here we go. Let's check. Read them with me. Fried, cried, tie, lie, pie, tried. Wonderful! We're on fire today, children. Now let's learn to read a tricky word. We are going to learn to read the word looked. Well, the first bit is easy. But the second bit is tricky. These say t. When I read it, I say looked. Looked. Now read the word with me. Looked. Looked. Awesome. Now read it yourself. What's the word? Sorry, what was that? One more time. Yes, the word is looked. Looked. Now let's practice reading a tricky word that you have met before. You know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is here. This says Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Come. Now let's read them quickly. I'm going to mix them up and I want you to read them aloud. Ready? Go. Super reading. Well done. Now let's read them together. Come. Looked. Did you get them right? Well done. Let's read a sentence with graphemes we already know. Can you see any words with digraphs? Yes, these words all have digraphs. 2 letters, 1 sound. I, and E. Can you see a tricky word we read today? Yes, the tricky word is looked. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember to sound out any words you are not sure of. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. Read with me as I point to the words. I looked at the pie and tried not to eat it. Let's read the sentence one more time. I looked at the pie and tried not to eat it. Oh, I wonder what kind of pie it was. What's your favourite? Amazing. Let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You'll need paper and something to write with. Okay, are you ready? Let's spell two words with our new grapheme. Let's spell pie. Segment the sounds with me. Pie, p, I. Let's count how many sounds there are. P, I. That's two sounds. Watch me write pie. I need two sounds. P. And I is a digraph. Two letters, one sound. So I need to write two letters. I, p, I, pie. Let's hide the word. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget the new digraph. Okay, let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Okay. I, pie. Did you get it right? Well done. Let's try another one. Let's spell tried. Segment the sounds with me. Tried. T, r, I'd. Let's count how many sounds there are. T, r, I'd. That's four sounds. Watch me write tried. I need four sounds. T, r. My next sound is I, and it's the digraph. Two letters, one sound, so I need to write two letters. I, d, t, r, I'd, tried. Now let's hide the word. It's time for you to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Okay, let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Right, let's have a look. T, r, I'd, tried. Did you get it right? Well done. Now let's spell a tricky word. We can read the word looked, so now let's spell it. Segment the sounds with me. Looked. L-u-k-t. Let's count how many sounds there are. L-u-k-t. That's four sounds. The first bit is easy, l-u-k, but the last bit is tricky, as the ed says t. Watch me write looked. L, u, k, l-u-k, look. That's the easy bit. The tricky bit is here. These two letters make the sound t. L-u-k-t. Looked. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's hide the word. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The t is written with the letters ed. Write it down. Okay, let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Looked. Did you get it right? Well done, children. You worked so hard practicing your reading and spelling. See you soon for another lesson with Letters and Sounds. Bye.